Now let's move on to the second one, which is or. What is or in Turkish?
Veya.
Veya.
Merhaba arkadaşlar.
Hello everyone, I am Wissam.
I'm Seren. Bugün ne öğreneceğiz?
Okay, today we're going to talk about a word or like something we call it conjunctions. Can you say it again? Conjunctions. Okay, there we go.
Conjunctions.
Yeah, actually it sounds really good with her. Yeah.
Eğer ben yapabiliyorsam siz de yapabilirsiniz.
Wow. So the word is conjunctions. In Turkish, I think it's called
Bağlaçlar.
bağlaçlar or connectors. So conjunctions in English are very, very important because we use them in almost every day. And like in any conversation we have, we always use them. Now, conjunctions, there's so many of them, but we're starting off in a very, very simple way. So I'm gonna give you today only 5 of them. Okay? Only 5. But like I said, conjunctions are a lot. But we're gonna start with 5. So, do you know what are the conjunctions that we're starting with?
But.
So we have a but.
Yes.
What else do we have?
And.
Okay.
And.
So we have but, and.
With.
What's that?
With.
With. No, not with. I mean, it is, but we're not starting. We're not doing that. To also is not because that's a different one. We have or.
Or if.
Or. If is not, I mean, if is a conjunction, but in a different way, different grammar. Okay, let me give you the ones that we have. But, we have and.
Ne güzel başta bilmişim her şeyi, evet.
Yes, we have or.
Or.
We have so.
So.
And we have because.
Because.
Okay, so we've got 5 of them. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the first one, which is the but. Okay, now, what does but mean in English?
Ama.
In Turkish, sorry.
Fakat.
Fakat. Or which one do you use more? Ama or fakat?
Ya fakat sanki biraz daha şey geliyor bana.
Because I hear both of them. I don't know.
Şey geliyor yani çok resmi.
Fakat.
Böyle olacaktı falan.
Ama böyle olacaktır. So that's less resmi. Can you give me without reading? Can you give me a sentence using but? So when do we use but? Let's try to logic our way through them.
Negatif ve pozitif
we
şeyleri bir arada kullanırken, birleştirirken.
Exactly.
Yani ikisinden biri negatif olmalı, birisi pozitif olmalı.
Exactly.
Hangi cümle pozitif, hangisi negatif olur bilmiyorum. Mesela I like to eat sushi, but I don't like to eat ramen.
No.
Ne var bunda?
Okay, it has to be in the same topic in a way.
Same topic. Sushi restoranına gittim. Ben sushi seviyorum ama ramen sevmiyorum.
Okay, if you say it like that, it works. But you said it in a different way.
Nasıl dedim?
Okay, I like sushi, but I don't like ramen.
Evet.
Yeah, you didn't say that.
Bunu dedim.
Okay, you said I like sushi, but you said something. I'm not sure. I need to see the video again.
I like to eat sushi.
Okay, I like to eat sushi,
but I don't like to eat demedim. I don't like ramen dedim.
Yes, see, there we go. So it has to be in the same way.
Farkı yok.
No, actually, yes.
Sushi'yi severim ama rameni sevmem dedim. Ramen yemeyi sevmem demedim.
Okay, it's easy. It's A level. We have to make them easy. Yeah. Okay, so like that. That's the reason. You're not wrong. I like to eat sushi, but I don't like ramen, or I don't like to eat ramen.
Okay.
Okay, like that. Yeah, very good. Can you give me another example?
I'm gonna meet my friends, but
Okay.
I'm not gonna stay long.
Okay, but I'm not gonna stay long.
Yeah.
Yeah, good, very good. Okay.
Bayağı komplike bir cümleydi.
No, that's good. That's good. Okay, so that was the first one of the conjunctions, which is the but. Now let's move on to the second one, which is or. What is or in Turkish?
Veya.
Now, how do we use or?
Do you like to eat sushi or ramen?
Do you like eating sushi or ramen?
Okay, eating.
Yeah, because like.
Like. Do you like to eating sushi
Nope,
or ramen?
not to. There's no to. Do you like eating?
Do you like eating?
Eating.
Do you like eating sushi or ramen?
Okay. So we use here just 2 different objects for the same sentence.
Which do you like to?
Okay, which one do you like eating?
Which one
Do you like
do
eating?
you like eating? Which one do you like to eat demiyorum.
Eating. Just keep it eating. Okay, which one do you like eating?
Doğru.
Okay, both of them.
Tamam.
Yes.
Which one do you like to eat sushi or ramen?
Okay. Not Roman, ramen.
Ramen.
Yeah, because Roman is
Ramen.
ramen. Yes, okay, so it's ramen. Basically, that's it. Like, there's no need to explain anything about it because it's
Veya.
veya. Can you give me another example?
Which place do you want to... Which place do you want to go mu demeliyim?
Do you want to go to?
Okay.
Do you want to
Which
visit?
place do you want to go?
To.
Go to cinema or cinema or or
Cinema or cinema.
or
Okay.
cinema or like
Theater.
restaurant.
Okay. Cinema or restaurant.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. That's good. That's good. All right. Next one we've got is and. And, which is in Turkish.
Ve. Ama şimdi buna nasıl örnek vereyim? Sushi ve ramen.
Again with the sushi.
and ramen.
Today, Sarai is very hungry. That's why. So, and it's ved. Is there any other one?
İle.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Sera ile Visam. Sera ve Visam. Sera ile Visam.
Okay. So, give me an example. Not sushi or ramen.
Me and my friends are going on a vacation.
We're going on a vacation. Yes?
Yeah.
There you go. Perfect. That's a perfect example. Okay, I can give you an example with and. So I would like to have, again, I'm hungry, so I'm going to use food. I would like to have chicken, and I'd like to have salad on the side.
On the side.
Yani yanında. Salata yanında istiyorum.
Okay. Yani şey diyorsun. Salatanın yanında tavuk da istiyorum.
Yes. There we go. There we go. I would like the chicken with salad on the side and salad on the side.
Bir daha cümleyi kurar mısın?
I would like to have the chicken and salad on the side.
Okay.
The next word we have is so.
So.
What is so in Turkish?
Ya onu ben o kadar çok İngilizce'de asıl Türkçe anlamı için kullanmadım.
Actually-
Hep so.
Yeah, but,
Blah,
but we
blah,
don't
blah.
use that one. We
Evet
use it.
bundan bahsetmiyoruz
Okay.
ama ben hep
Yeah.
bunun için
A lot
kullanıyorum.
of people hear that, but so in Turkish, I think it's o yüzden.
Bu yüzden.
Bu yüzden or o yüzden.
O yüzden değil.
O yüzden, bu yüzden. Okay. So yeah, so that's what so in English. So it's like all of these conjunctions, we can use them as, what was the word in Turkish? Bağlamaç?
Bağlaç.
As bağlaç, or we can use them
Bağlamaç.
bağlamaç. So we can use them as connectors, or we can use them in a different way. Okay, but right now we're talking only about connectors. So the word so, it's in Turkish bu yüzden. So can you give me an example?
I had a call. So I have to go. I have to leave early.
I had a call, so I have to leave early.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, very good. So that's o
Ya
yüzden.
ben gerçekten müthiş cümleler, örnekler vermeye başladığımı
Yes,
düşünüyorum.
finally.
Lütfen beni tebrik edin.
So it's used like bu yüzden. Let me give you an example on that. I was sick, so I didn't go to work yesterday. And we saved the last one for the easiest one because a lot of people know it, which is because.
Because.
Okay?
Because.
Okay. This is one of the moments where Sarai breaks into a song and starts singing. So because. What is because in Turkish?
Çünkü.
So çünkü or because. Now there's a argot version of because, which is cuz.
Because.
Yeah, but don't try to use that one because it could be.
10 kere because dedim bu arada.
Yeah. I use a lot of word because, yeah. So don't try to use this word, don't try to use the shorter version of this word. It doesn't sound really nice in conversations.
Oh, okay.
People will misunderstand you.
Okay.
So yeah. So because. So can you give me an example? Let's use your power.
I came here today because I had a shooting.
I had the shooting. Yes. I came here today because I had shooting. There you go. Yes. She's really happy right now. Okay. So yes, very good. Very good. So, and let me give you an example. A lot of people are learning English because it is the universal language of the world. Right?
Alkış sesi.
I know, right? I'm really good. I should be a teacher, you know. So now we have some sentences, and I want you to put the right conjunction in the right sentence.
Oh.
I'm gonna give Sarai the first sentence. He likes fast food. Then we've got a space,
Okay.
and then he often eats burgers and wraps.
Tamam, ikisi de aynı yönde şey yapıyor. O yüzden bu ama değildir yani, but değildir. Biri negatif, biri pozitif değil. İkisi de fast food yediğimden bahsediyor. He likes fast food. O zaman bakıyorum. But'ı eledim. Or'u da eledim çünkü iki tane aynı şey yok. And'i de eledim. Yani böyle yapıyor ve böyle yiyor. Hani so'yu koyabilirim bence buraya.
So we can use so.
He likes fast food, so he often eats burgers and verbs.
Bu yüzden öyle yiyor. Okay, very good, very good.
O fast food'u sever, fast food abur cuburu sever. Bu yüzden burger ve wrap yiyor. Dürüm.
Dürüm. Wrap. Okay, next one. Phuket is a very beautiful place, space. It's very expensive. This is easy.
Okay, bak beautiful olması güzel bir şey. Ama diyecektim. Expensive olması kötü bir şey. Dolayısıyla ama koyabiliriz. Yani but.
Alright. I will go to the exchange office. I need some euros.
İkisi de pozitif bir şeyden bahsediyor. Ama'yı eledim. Yani bakalım. Exchange office'e gidiyorum. Neden gidiyorum? Çünkü euro ihtiyacım var.
Yes.
Dolayısıyla nedeninden bahsettiğim için because. I will go to the exchange office because I need some euros. Okay.
Very good. Alright.
Ben de anlatmaya başladım bir şey.
Yes, yes. You should buy a map. You can use the navigation.
You should buy a map. Ha bak, ikisinde de farklı bir öneri var. Ama aynı
aynı konu.
yönde.
Evet.
Aynen aynı konuda iki farklı öneri var. Dolayısıyla bu or olabilir. Yani
Yes.
you should buy a map or you can use the navigation.
Very good. She drinks coffee. She eats croissant in the morning.
Ben hem kafe içiyorum.
Ben değil. Oh.
Hayır. Hem
Hem.
ve hem.
Okay.
Şimdi anlatacağım, sen
Sorry,
bilmezsin
sorry,
Türkçe
sorry.
falan.
Yes, please.
Şimdi ben hem kahve içiyorum hem de kruvasan yiyorum. Dolayısıyla V kullanırım diye düşünüyorum. She drinks coffee and she eats croissants in the morning.
Okay, croissant.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Croissant.
No, not croissant. Croissant.
Croissant.
There we go. Croissant. Yes. The last one.
Very tired.
I am very.
Tired.
There we go. I am very tired. I am very tired. Okay. I am very tired. I will rest in my room.
I'm very tired. So, I will rest in my room.
Perfect.
Bu yüzden yorgunum ve dinleneceğim. Yorgunum, bu yüzden dinleneceğim.
Breathe. Okay. Very good. That's very good. She got them all perfectly. Okay. Awesome.
Alkış duyuyorum.
Awesome. Yes. Please give her a hand. Give her a hand because she did wonderfully. And
Neyse.
these were the
Bu
conjunctions.
kadar mıydı? Yes.
Yes.
Tamam.
So these were the conjunctions.
These were the conjunctions.
There we go. So these were the conjunctions of English. Like we said before, there are so many conjunctions, but these are the ones that we were starting with. So later on, we're going to have more talk about conjunctions.
Evet.
So thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And we appreciate your comments.
Yes.
We're reading them.
Yorum demeyeyim dedim.
Yeah.
Bakıştım. Yorum yapın, okuyoruz. Gerçekten.
Yes. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you in the next videos.
Bye.